Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys how I started this flower bed about 4 months ago, and I will also plant some lavender in it. I started this flower bed because I always wanted to have clematis in the garden, and since I have this beautiful trellis, I decided to plant something next to it. So 4 months ago I started this flower bed, added the lawn separator to keep the grass out and planted the clematis. Make sure to watch that part too, I will link it in the description below. I also planted a white climbing rose here because I really love the rose clematis combination. So the next thing I bought for this flower bed is this beautiful rhododendron. It looks so great in this pot, don't you think? So this variety has pink flowers and it is called Pink Lady. It will be 3 feet or a meter tall and wide. This is the perfect spot for it, so let's plant it. So it has been 4 months since I planted this rhododendron. It tolerates the afternoon sun pretty nicely and seems to be liking this spot. The clamping rose loves its life here. It grew so much these past months. I will need to train it on the trellis, otherwise it will reach the roof in a couple of months. So the clematis unfortunately died back after a few really hot weeks when I was not in the garden and it did not receive enough water. But a few days ago I noticed this fresh new growth, so there is hope after all. I also planted 2 lavenders a few weeks ago just to see how they like it there, and they look really good. So I planted some lavender in the spring. I don't have a video about it, but it was just an experiment, just to see whether the seeds collected from the garden are any good. The seeds are so good, the lavenders also self-seeded themselves in the flower beds. So in these pots here on the left side you can see the ones I planted, and on the right side the ones that planted themselves basically. They both look good, a little too slim and long, but these can be pruned and will be a lot bushier in no time. The only problem is I don't know which ones are with the light and which ones are with the dark purple flowers, but I guess time will tell. I am really happy with the result. I already can imagine them being huge with lots of flowers, so it will be a really nice and good smelling border for this flower bed. So if you have any questions regarding this video, make sure to leave a comment. I really hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!